We're on the last video on lesson 2 discussing characteristics of a normal distribution. What if we're not given the mean and standard deviation? How do we solve for them if we are only given the location of scores? Let's try this problem. In a certain normally distributed set of scores, the score 2 standard deviations below the mean is 5.1 and the score 2 standard deviations above the mean is 6.2. Solve for the mean and standard deviation of the scores. First, we need to solve for the mean of scores. Based on the problem, we can use these two equations since the given values are 2 standard deviations away from the mean. Mean plus 2 standard deviation is equal to 6.2 and mean minus 2 standard deviation is equal to 5.1. To solve for the mean, we'll have to form a system of linear equations and add them both. We will be adding the means, standard deviation, and the right side of the equation. Mean plus mean or mu plus mu is simply 2 mu. Then positive 2 standard deviation minus 2 standard deviation will be simply cancelled out. And 6.2 plus 5.1 is equal to 11.3. Dividing the resulting equation by 2 on both sides will give us a mean equal to 5.65. Step 2 tells us to solve for standard deviation by substitution. Since we already know that the mean is 5.65, we can simply substitute it to any of these two given equations. Substituting the mean to the first equation, we would obtain 5.65 plus 2 standard deviation equals to 6.2. Simplify, we will get a standard deviation of 0.275. Substituting the mean this time on the second equation, we will obtain 5.65 minus 2 standard deviation equals to 5.1. Simplifying, we will also get the same value of the standard deviation which is equal to 0.275. Now going back to our question, how can we distinguish a normal distribution? You just have to recall these 7 characteristics for us to distinguish a normal distribution.